How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm also good, and you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. So, how are you from, brother?
From Myanmar.
Myanmar. Oh, okay, okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
So, I think you're Muslim, right?
I'm Muslim, Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. So, I don't know exactly about more Myanmar. So, which province are you from?
Sorry, can you tell me again?
Uh,
District or another
yeah,
thing?
yeah, this district. Yeah, I think like the district or yeah, district.
Is Rakhine Prene, Rakhine State.
Arakan.
Yeah, right.
Um, mm, Sure, I don't know exactly. So if there are lots of people in our country. So are they from the Arakan or the and other state?
Live right now.
Yeah, yeah. You know that yeah,
Actually,
there are near about 1 million people in our country. They are also settled in our country. So are they from the like Arakan or the other province?
in a company right now, some no more population in Muslim. Some population already live here. Another some mostly population living right now is a
Oh,
refugee in Bangladesh.
okay, okay, okay. So, do you have feel and travel right now as a Muslim? So you know that our Muslim they torture on our Muslim every day. So do you have any kinds of travel?
Uh, yeah, right.
It's very sad, brother.
What happened? I don't know exactly what happened with us
Mm.
because Allah always now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we must depend on Allah and we always pray for our Muslim nation. And you know that
Yeah,
as we Muslim, all over the world, they just torture on us and also do many bad things upon on our Muslimism, and also they spread
yeah,
like wrong propaganda like various. Exactly, they don't want to. Our Muslim community will raised or participate in any kinds of spreading Islam all over the world.
yeah. Actually, is they are strategic for the Muslim.
Yeah, 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 obviously. Yeah, I think it's the natural process. You know that our Prophet Muhammad Sallam said that day by day we are going to the bad side. So one day our Muslim
Yeah,
will like the vanished, and our Muslim nation will also the re-surrounded or re coming the new one after
yeah.
after vanishing these kinds of culture. So yeah, we must have be patient in this situation. I think also. So whether
If
how long have you been use this application?
actually I have been this application 1 year. Sometime I don't
Wow.
use.
No, but you have a lots of experience about this. I think so.
Yeah, right. So yeah, I have some experience about this app.
Hmm. So usually, how much time do you spend behind these apps?
Oh yeah. In this time, I spend a lot of time, especially finished my token. Daily give me 5 token. I finish daily, and after actually finish this token, and this moment 2 token bonus me.
Oh, so you have
Right now,
experience.
I'm finishing this token. Yeah,
uh, so every day,
I think there will be give more token.
Okay. So,
It's mean I spend a lot of time.
so how many conversations should I done so is to get the like token? I don't know exactly what their procedure.
Sorry, can you tell me again?
So, how many conversation should I take, or should I finish daily if I want to get their token?
It's depend on, yeah, it's depend only on you. The rule is, if a student company's rule is daily 5 token they give every day.
Hmm.
So sometime you will provide you premium token. You can conversation 24-hour continue free. It's a free continue. You can 24-hour conversation. It's sometime give this token, and every regular they give 5 token. And if you talk regularly,
Hmm.
you'll give you day by day increase your token. The first 6, 7, 8, 9 like this, they give token increase your token.
Ah, okay, okay. So, okay, time is just going off. I think
Yeah,
time should be increased. It's not enough for us.
it's
Uh,
their rules.
okay, yeah, yeah, brother. So,
Okay,
okay,
bye.
bye bye. Okay.